Welcome back to Saving to Live. My name is Shay. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways you can make money from Amazon you probably have not heard of that I have utilized myself when I was down and out, and they helped put money in my pocket and got things back on straight for me. So I'm hoping this video help you guys. Make sure you're checking out my profile and you are subscribing for other videos to give you motivation on getting this money via Amazon and any other way so we can save money to live better and not be stuck at a 9 to 5 at a desk forever. All right, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so we're going to go over to Amazon.com. What you're going to do is you're going to come over here to the all section. You're going to come down and you're going to look for books. Once you see books, you're going to click on it. Come over here to this scroll bar, go all the way to the bottom, and then go to digital educational resources. So I came across this way from someone who's actually been doing it for a while. They was actually accepted into the program. As you know, Amazon has so many different programs on ways you can earn money, but you have to know about them or just stumble upon them as I did to really know, oh, I can go after this way of making money to bring more income into my situation. So, with these digital educational resources. Literally, what the word is digital. Nothing is going to be handheld. People are going to come here, they're going to download them and have access to them whenever they need. So, what you can do, which most people are doing, is go to Canva. And Canva allows you to do a lot of different um, uh, things for free. You don't even have to pay for the actual membership. But as you see here, you type the word worksheet in the actual search, and then Canva will actually take you to their pre-made templates for these worksheets. And then you can just take a worksheet and you can bring it on over here and do whatever type of customization you want to do. Add on pages to make other ones, and then when you get it the way you like it, download it. For some of these, they may be for people who are subscribers, so it's free, and for others who are using the free profile, you may have to pay. So if you do love this type of work with going into making these digital educational books, that would be an option to do for a great side hustle that can turn into a full-time business. Now, how do you actually apply to this? Well, when you come to this page, you're going to scroll down and then you will see list your educational resources with us. Click on here to learn more. And so you see here it says you have to do a request invitation. And it goes into detail on the page about what's that all about. It gives you some FAQs about the royalties. You earn 70% royalty on all sales. For products under $2.99, they'll deduct 30 cents. They show you the formats you can sell in. You see how you get paid. I mean, the way Amazon allows you to make money is just mind boggling and mind blowing because they give us so many ways to make more money. So, this is one way. Here is how we're going to go into a second way of making money with Amazon. So I have been signed up with Merch by Amazon. I feel like it's been forever. It's maybe been almost a year, and I've made one sale. Granted, I don't spend any time on here. I have one design that isn't even really a design. I have watched YouTube videos if you have as well, but I mean, people just I'm not into the whole design thing, but because I am a person that likes to just try different things to see, well, maybe I might like it. Maybe I would like the process. I just don't want to be in Canva doodling around with different things. I just don't want to. So I choose to not really put much effort in here. I decided to just do that one design and just see what happens. And I got one sale. But pretty much Amazon gives you options of different products to put your own decal on, words, whatever you want. They will ship it, make it, deal with all the customer service with it. You don't have to buy anything. All you have to do is create the designs, log into your account, upload it onto the actual shirt, hoodie, um, pillowcase, tote bag. I mean, they have different things you can actually put your designs on, and then they will put it out there to their audience, and whoever wants to buy it will just buy it. Then you'll get an email from them saying, hey, you got a sale, here's your royalties from that. However, you will be denied if you will use any type of uh, picture from someone that maybe you like a book and you want to, you want to say something maybe from the book cover on the shirt, or you want to go and you want to do something from Disney or Marvel. You have to be very careful about what design you are using to make sure it's not anyone else's design. And they have these systems in place that when you upload something, they will scan to make sure, first of all, no one else on the Amazon um, merch side has that design, because that's now that person's information and property. You can't copy them. And they do have a lot of rules on what you can put on the shirts. So you want to do your due diligence to see if you even want to deal with all of that. If you do decide to want to be doing pictures and things like that, or sayings and words, I just put an actual I put an actual Supreme Court ruling on my shirt. It was accepted, but that was it. And that's all I did. That's all I have. But this is a way to do it as well. So check it out if you want to go into making money this way. So now we're on Amazon Audible. If you're unfamiliar with Audible, it's pretty much where you can listen to books on Amazon when you sign up for their monthly subscription. So if you are a person that has actually put a book on Amazon, the number one way you can get more money is to get your book converted into Audible. Amazon created the Audiobook Creation Exchange, or ACX, where they can get professional people to actually read your book. So when people actually come to your page to buy your book, they have the option paperback, hardback, or Audible. That gives you more ways to get more money in. And for those professional narrators, you can either pay a flat fee, or you can get the book produced for free in exchange for a share of future royalties. So it's a cool option, so you can get your audiobook out there and then you can share profits when it sells. Now, this is how ACX looks. If you're unfamiliar with it, you just go to acx.com, and it's a lot of information in here. You should take your time and just go through it to see how it actually works. What I'm more interested in and want to show you is actually how you earn money with the audiobooks. And this is the page you'll want to go to with giving you that information. It lets you know they produce the costs are low. They have a unique and robust royalty model. Depending upon how things are done, you can expect royalties up to 40%. If you are a rights holder under a pay for production deal, they'll give you extra $50 each time the audiobook produced under the deal is the first one and purchased by an Audible listener. So it's a lot. Okay, and this is something that you definitely don't want to skip over, because if you already are, as I stated, a publisher on Amazon for books, you want to definitely look into this as well, because getting more money for something that's making you money in your sleep is is awesome. And if you have another way to doing it on the same product, that's even more awesome. So look into this. Now, the second way is again using ACX. So you know how I just mentioned how you would actually get someone to read your book? Well, if you're interested in being that person that reads the books, you can do that as well. Audiobook are in abundance, and they need a lot of people to come and do the actual narration. So in this one for narrators is what you will look for. It tells you pretty much how to get your career started, how it works, how to do a sample, the audition process, how you will receive your acceptance letter, and how you can start going and making your money and getting paid. So again, going to acx.com, clicking all around, getting getting understanding and information regarding how it works, which is over here, authors, narrators. If you are a publisher or whatever, just hit the area that actually you're looking for and start making more money. The Amazon Associates Program. I know many people have heard about this a whole lot. I started to do this at the beginning of the year, and I have seen some success. You pretty much are recommending products for people to actually buy via links on your website or your blog. I have a blog and an Etsy account, and I put my affiliate links within those two areas to get people to click on them and to hopefully buy the products. Now, from my understanding, which again, I'm not too 100% invested into this, the actual link that somebody clicks on is only valid for 24 hours, which most people hate because they like the links that last so much longer, like 30 days, maybe a week or two, where Amazon's on 24 hours. So it makes it hard for people to actually make a lot of money. And then Amazon slashed their rate prices for how much they pay you in commission wise. I believe earlier 2019, I mean, I think 2019 or 2021 of the two. But I mean, I've been making a good, decent side income. This is what I made last month actually, and I wasn't really doing too much, but I'm guessing my method using my blog and Pinterest is working because I made almost $7,000 last month from August 1st to August 31st. So this is a way you can actually um potentially make a lot of money with Amazon being an associate. So I'm not a guru on that. I'm not a person that can be like, oh, do one, two, three, four, five. I'm just a person out here reading books and just doing different things to see what sticks and what I'm good at and what I can become better at. And I want to share that with you guys. So this is also another one. Now, when I was down on my luck a few years ago, I was like hating working a 9 to 5, and I wanted the flexibility because I had a kid. I did not want to deal with daycare for multiple days. I didn't have the money for that. So I came across Amazon Flex. It was a new program that just came out with, and I applied for my area, which was in Baltimore at the time, and I was accepted. And I love the fact that for this program, you can start off making a big wage, which was I think it was eight. No, I got paid 19 an hour, and I can choose my own schedule. I didn't have to worry about a regular schedule. I can choose when I want to work, and how fast I delivered my packages was how quickly I could get off of work. So it was not like I had to be there until a certain time. It's once you completed all your deliveries, you can go home. Your app is pretty much how you dictate what has happened. I don't know what they do now, but back then you had an actual a little lanyard with the Amazon Flex badge on there. You had an Amazon Flex hat. You had a little reflector vest, and I had a what did I have? I had a car, but my I think it was a car. Yes, I don't remember. I think it was a car, but was it SUV? It was one of the two, okay? And when you get to wanting to do blocks, you pretty much will have to download the app. It's called the Flex app. And when you download the Flex app, let's see if they can actually show you what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. You download the Flex app, you go through the process of applying. This is how you will find out about putting information for how you're going to get paid, when you're going to select the different blocks you want to select, which lets you know, okay, this block is from this time to that time, and whatever time you're done is when you're done. You don't have to just sit around until that time is done. You will be told where to go to pick up your actual packages. So you will go to a warehouse, you will have a big old 3 to 4 tier rolling cabinet thingy that has all these packages in here, and they have different scans on there, and using your phone will help you navigate the best way to deliver the packages in the most efficient manner possible. And if you ever have a problem, they do have the support, which sucked back then, and maybe it got better now, I'm not too sure. But if you ever had an issue with the GPS not giving you the right coordinates, you would have to contact them via the app. And yeah, you get paid. This is how it really looks. You're just looking at the phone, scanning the box, and then you're going to the person's door, dropping it off, and keep it pushing. You don't have to do nothing more than that. It was the most easiest job ever. It was similar to doing what the post office would do, what UPS will do, um, any delivery service, but doing it for Amazon, and you can make your own schedule. So this is something that I highly, highly recommend for many people who are looking to get into a high paying job, especially if they are right now not working and want to get some money. Doing this will be the perfect option if it's available in your area. I knew Years ago, it was only limited, but I'm pretty sure now it's probably expanded. So just go to flex.amazon.com, check it out, and start making some money that's going to help you and your family, get you where you want to be at, and you can make your own schedule. So I hope this video helped you guys. Please subscribe, leave a comment if you have any kind of questions. I can answer them for you. But thank you for watching and have a good one.